Hi friends, it's Miss Stephanie. Today, since we're practicing our word go, that is our core word of the week, I thought I would show you a really fun activity with some eggs that I have. So first I'm going to get these out, and parents, the words that we're going to be targeting are want, look, open, and go. So I will show you kind of how you can practice those things with your child. So first I'm going to get my eggs. I have red, yellow, I'll line them up, blue, green, and purple. Let's see how many eggs I have. Will you help me count? Okay, let's start right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. I have 5 eggs. All right, now I'm going to move them out of the way so we can play our game. Okay, I have 2 eggs. I want, which one do I want? I want red. Red. All right. Oh, I hear something. I wonder what's inside. Now we have to say, open, open. Remember, you can say it with your mouth or you can say it with your hands. Let's try it again together. Open, open, open. Let's open the egg. Look, it's a frog. Hi, frog. All right, now we're gonna make him go. I need your help. We're gonna practice. Ready, set, go. And you can say go with your finger like this. Or you can say it with your words. Go, go. All right, let's try it together. Ready, set, go, frog. Look. Wow. The frog was jumping. You helped make him go. Go. Let's see what else we have. I get 2 more eggs. Yellow and blue. Which one do I want? I want blue. I want the blue egg. All right, remember what we say? We say, open, open. You try it. Open. Good job. All right, let's open the egg. Look. Look, it's a mouse. Hi, mouse. Let's make him go. Ready? Set. That's right. Go, go. Look at the mouse. Look. Go, mouse. Oh, he stopped. Should we do more? Let's make him go more. Okay, rewind him up. Ready, set, go. Go. Look, there goes the mouse. Go. Go. All right. Bye, mouse. Let's see what's next. We have yellow and purple. I want yellow. I want to open the yellow egg. All right. I hear something. I wonder what's inside. Let's say, open, open. Say it with me. Open. Nice trying. Open. Look. It's a bug. It's a ladybug. Hi, ladybug. All right, let's make the ladybug go. Remember to say go. I'm gonna wind it up. Ready, set, go! Go, go, go! Ooh, ladybug! Go, ladybug! Go, go, go! Go! Stop. Bye, ladybug. All right, we only have a few more left. We have purple and green. Let's see. I want green. Let's open the green egg. Open. Open. Nice job. Let's open it up. Look! It's a bear in a boat. Bear in a boat with our bus sound. Let's make him go. Are you ready? Ready, set, go! Go! Here he comes. Go, bear! Go! Look! There he is. Bear, he's stopped. Bye, bear. Bye, bear. We have one more egg. What color is it? You're right. It's purple. A purple egg. All right, let's say open. Open. Say it with me. Open. Nice trying. All right, let's open the egg. What is it? Do you know what it is? It's a grasshopper. Let's make him go. Wind him up. Ready, set, go! Oh, look at the grasshopper go! Look, he's jumping. Oh, go, go, go! Oh, he stopped. Let's do more. More, go. All right, here he comes. I'm gonna tell him, go! 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 Look! There he goes. Go, grasshopper. Good job. All right, friends. We are all done. I wanted to say thank you for helping me make my friends go. I heard you say open and go. Way to go. You're learning so many new words. And parents, if you have any sort of eggs or any containers, boxes, you can kind of replicate this activity with any toy, maybe putting some cars inside or other little figures that your child might be interested in, and then you can practice this activity at home. All right. Thank you. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.